Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to find the Hydroplant outfit so that you can have that awesome blue drip inside of Abiotic Factor for your character. So to get this outfit, all you have to do is come down here to the docks area where the submarine is. It's highly recommended that you have the diving suit. And throw that bad boy on and we will head down to go get it. We're just going to walk past the submarine, over here past this kitchenette area, the break room I suppose. And then here on the right is a big grate that you can break and walk through. And then we're going to pop down through this little water tunnel full of all these fans. And then we're going to go through this door. Where we want to go is up here. Up directly above us is this vent area. We'll pop up here, go through the vent. There's only one of them. And then here in the back is going to be our target, and there should be a zombie in here, which is what dropped this helmet, although the body has disappeared on me. Go ahead and touch this guy and you will have the Hydroplant outfit. If you've already got the outfit like me, you'll just find $5 on him. If you'd also like to grab the figurine while you're in here, because there is a figurine for a small robot, you can pop down into here. This is the former robot's automated manufacturing area. You can go way back here into this bin full of robot parts, and here you will find the security bot figurine. If you want to continue on and get the Kylie character and put her inside of a neural chip, you'll have to build this before you come down here. You can find her back behind the assembly line through this door. There's really only one tunnel to go through here. Just follow through to robotics, and then go down here through the giant hole in the floor. Then we'll fall through this tunnel, and then you will find Kylie up there on that walkway. She's a brain in a jar by going up this ladder. And that's it. So I hope you found this helpful. This has been a brief look at how to get the Hydroplant uniform here in Abiotic Factor. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.